is I'm gonna show you my own slime matory or something. Just comment down below if what do you like that what I'm gonna make slime everything for all of you. So now let's get started. So I'm gonna show you my slime matory now. See you guys. Boom! So look at the slime matory. Do you like it? Because I have my big space. Last time it's very small space. Then down here is it has something that you can lift it up and slide it up. It's very nice, guys. I love it. If you open it, there's just things in there, but I cannot show you. But now I'm gonna show you again my slime foam. And it even has a light. I'm gonna show you, guys, because it's very lighty. Feel not even my light. So now my fluffy foam slime is in here. I have a chair, but I will not use it. There, so oh my gosh, it has a bubble because I touched it. I really like to touch this because it has a bubble. It's really clear, but now look at this. Oh my gosh. It says here foam gum. You can buy this in the market. Foam again, foam. So now I know how to make slime, so I'm gonna make slime. This is gonna be my container. This is for my dog. Ooh. And this one. Now I'm gonna get, where's my glue? Oh, it's in here. My glue. I'm gonna buy jumbo glue because this is not a jumbo glue, it's just a little. Because this is my little, there's so many glue in there. Maybe it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 9, 10. I can't count it. I'm gonna buy more glue. We're gonna be making a little because this is my second time to make slime. I'll just try. It's gonna work because I have my own activator. Wait guys. There's where's the the pen. Wait guys. The pen is in here. Hello. I'm inside the cup. Uh-oh. Help me. I'm inside the cup. I'm just joking. My mom says subscribe to my channel. She's mad of all of you because you will not subscribe to my channel. Joke. I have 2 subscribers, but guys, subscribe for me. You see my own bed. Do you like it? Tell your mom. Buy your own. I'm gonna pop it in. there. Let's put glue. Just a little. Look at guys, my spoon. Let's mix it up like that. I just a little. I'm very, very sorry that I'm making it very, very little. As a little. And I get my activator. But wait, we will not put shaving cream. I'm gonna put labi niya, Libya. This one. This is my soap. We're gonna be putting this. Next time, guys, we're gonna be making no glue and no activator slime. Kai is not here again because she is sleeping. She is sleeping again and again and again. What the heck do you say to me? What do you say to me? I love me. You love me, right? Do you love me, guys? Do you like me? Oh yes, I'm telling the truth. Now we're gonna be putting at this one because my activator. It's working. Look at this, guys. You cannot see. I'm gonna put more. Okay. Mix it up. Wait, guys. There, guys, we are in there. It's working, but very sticky. I'm touching my slime. I'm not trying. I'm touching my slime, guys. Nothing. I'm not doing something. Here we go, let's see it's working. So here we go. I'm gonna put a little have a container. A little containers like this. It's very small. I mean, it's small a little. This is a spoons, and look at it. It has a food coloring, and we're gonna be putting, oh my gosh, we're gonna putting a little, oh my gosh, what is this? I'm gonna put it a little. And just one drop. Mix it up. Just put one drop, guys, one drop. Serving you the truth. I'm gonna put in the blue food coloring. Just a little. Just one drop. They said it was just one drop, but it's so many. Very many. There we go, guys. This is a sticky sign. Nice color. Yes. I'm gonna touch it. Is it a slime or a sticky slime? I don't know. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna save it for 1 day, so it could be sticky slime too, a hard slime too. So now, guys, I'm putting that in there, so I'm gonna wash my hands. Bye bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh. Yummy, guys. Very, very yummy. It's very, very yummy, guys. It's very, very yummy. This, guys, I'm gonna use this. If this is already empty, I'm gonna use the container for my slime. One, two, one. Actually, guys, welcome to my corner office ticket and card. You can see this in my home. I usually make my house that it's my own office, corner office. Look. And I'm gonna design this my home, so it's look like all my office. It's actually look like my office, and my office is in the table. I'm gonna stand there and write something. Ticket and card. I'm gonna make a card that's for all of you. Do you like it? Look at that. In the tail. Look at that. It's very, very wonderful. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Hope you like my videos. Bye.